Okay, yes, welcome back to the class for today. Now, in today's lecture, we'll be looking at how to download and install WordPress into XAMPP. But before we download it, I will talk about WordPress a little bit. Now, according to statistics, most websites we have in these days is designed by WordPress, using WordPress. 64% of the websites, even big companies, use WordPress. Now, if big companies, something like let me go into my computer, you should look at it. Okay, let's go into www.wordpress.com. WordPress.com. Now, WordPress.com allow you to create websites. I know they say 33 of the WordPress website. Forget about all this. Now, this is what I want to show you. You see different website that has been created. WordPress. Now, I want to show you something here. I don't know if they've removed it. That's the list of companies. Look, the list of companies that have used WordPress. Disney, Dropbox. Dropbox is created with WordPress. You discover that these are big companies that are still using WordPress. Automatically, you can use WordPress to design website for any company. But we are not going there. This is not what we are looking at for today. We want to look at how we want to download WordPress to your PC and you link it to your local host. Now, I have my local host on already. I hope you don't forget how to learn on our local host. You see the tool is starting. Now, how do you download it? Now, just go into your Google directory. Sorry, don't mind me, I'm just trying to zip something as I'm working also. Now, Google directory and search download WordPress. Download WordPress, and you enter it. You see, then this first link here is what you will use it wordpress.org/download. Then you open a new tab, or you can go to www.wordpress.org. wordpress.org. I'm waiting. You see, priceless and also free. Download WordPress to use on your site. Now, this is the latest version, which is 5.4. Then immediately you click on download. It said, hooray, you are on your way with our latest WordPress. Now, I'm going to download this also because I need it. I was using 5.3 before. I don't even know 5.4 is out. So now I said you can also use this one also, but we don't need to use this one. Just go to your Google, then the first link here, get WordPress download. Now, I know that some people, they will tell you use wordpress.com. Don't go through that way. Just stick to what we are going to use in this class, and once you use it, I'm telling you, you are going to get the best out of WordPress. You see, this is very fantastic. This is very great. I'm waiting for this thing to download. At the same time, I want us to enjoy ourselves as we ride the world of IT, world of website designing. Yes, my download is complete, 12.6 MB. Now, let me show it in my folder. Download. You see it, WordPress 5.0. Now, let me create a new folder for it because you don't need to delete this. You will need it for any other website you want to create, except if there's an upgraded version of it. So I can just say WordPress. Let me just put it as WordPress. Now, let me move this into this WordPress, the folder I created earlier here. Now, this is WordPress 5.2. Now, WordPress 5.2 is what we are going to use. Let me close this. Let me minimize this. Okay. Now, let's assume this is the latest version you download, which is 5.4. Sorry, Let me download this thing again. I don't know the reason why it's cancelled. Now this is my WordPress. How do I link this WordPress to my local server folder, which is, I told you this is where you have your website, htdocs. Now the first thing you do is you extract this, and for you to extract this you will need what we call WinRAR. So for you to have WinRAR is simple. Just go to www.google.com and you search for WinRAR. So once you search for WinRAR, or you search for WinRAR download. So once you search for that, then you'll be able to download it depending on the type of Windows you are using and your PC. So if you are using Windows 10, you download that of Windows 10, and if you are using Windows 7, you can download the latest version. But this is where you download it, win-rar.com. So once you download it, just install it. Then you extract this. Extract here. And you wait for it to extract. Let's wait for it. It's processing. Blah 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 blah. 21%, 23%. I hope you are taking your tea with you over there. Okay. Let's wait for it to extract. I would have loved to open another one, but let's just wait. Now I just want to open this for you to see. This is WinRAR. Now I told you there are a lot of things that are included in this class, and I'm going to learn everything one after the other. Now this is WinRAR. All you just have to do is click this download button, and you have your WinRAR on your system already. It's still extracting 79%, 83, 84. Okay, now the extraction is done. Now you have this folder, WordPress folder. Then you open this folder. Now this is everything you need for your WordPress or for your website to work fully. Now you click on it, you copy it, either using Ctrl+C. If you are using Mac, you use Command+C, or you just right click and click copy. Then you go to your XAMPP folder, which is in your local disk C, XAMPP, then htdocs. Now for the sake of this class, I'm going to open a new folder for our WordPress tutorial class. Then new folder. Let me just give it can you guess a name? Let me say web class. Then inside that folder you paste everything you copied in your WordPress. Now once you do that, automatically you've download and you've installed you've just downloaded the WordPress. To that, we are going to go to the installation part very soon. That's just for downloading. Then you need to install. Now how do you install is the next thing we are going to go for. Now I'm going to skip some of this video, so I'll just skip it for you to get to where we are going to. So you might not, it's going to complete, but just wait for you to reach 100%. Wait for you to reach 100% and you are good to go.